Hi TV lovers, do you think you know TV size? Spoiler alert, you might be doing it wrong. Stick around, I will show you the exact way to measure your TV size and why it's actually important. Plus, I will review a tip that could save you from buying the wrong one. First thing first, your TV size is not about its width or height. It is the diagonal measurement of the screen itself. Yeah, corner to corner, and only the screen. Forget about measuring the frame or the stand. That's a rookie mistake. Like this 40-inch TV, that means your screen is exactly 40 inches diagonally, not the width across a wall. But why does this measurement matter? Three big reasons. 1. It determines if your TV fits your wall, stand or entertainment unit. 2. It helps figure out the best viewing distance for that cinematic experience at home. And 3. Most importantly, it helps you know the exact inch you are paying for. Because some inch are not complete. And note, every original TV comes with exact inch as claim. Before we continue, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification for more smart tips to level your own. Now let's measure like a pro. Now let me walk you through how I measured some of the most common TV sizes: 40, 32, 50, 55, 58 and 65 inches. The process is the same every time, but the numbers will surprise you. When a TV is labeled as, say, 40 inches, the number refers to the diagonal measurement of the screen, from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. For example, I measured this 40 inch by running my tape measure diagonally across the screen, without including the frame. It is exactly 40 inches corner to corner. The same applies to the 32, 50, 55, 58 and 65 inch models. Each size is based on the screen diagonal measurement, so all you need is your tape measure and a steady hand. Now, why the diagonal gives you the TV advertised size. The full dimension like the height, width and depth are just as important if you are checking for space in your living room or entertainment center. If this video saved you time or money, hit that like button, drop a comment and let me know. Subscribe for more tips, tricks and hacks to make your life easier. Until next time, happy measuring.